Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I've got an unboxing for you today and it is Innocent Bones. Innocent Bones, if you don't know, it's Mood by Innocent Bones, is a bi-monthly I think, subscription box, and it's like a craft box. You get a cross stitch in it, you get crafty goodies, you get really pretty things, and it's just a beautiful box. I paid for this box myself. Oh, this is the abstract neon box. I had seen some spoilers for this. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I paid for this myself. Let's just get in because there's no point in me reading to you what things are. It's better just to show you in this kind of box. So that is my cross stitch kit. We'll look at that in a minute. Oh my goodness, look. Oh, it's so pretty. Right, okay, so neon snips. These jazzy millwood embroidery scissors are the perfect addition to your craft collection. They are just what you need for snipping your embroidery thread, and they look cute as hell too. Look, I love them. Oh my goodness, look how cute they are. So cute, love them. Next, stay there. I've got stationery. Your new lime green washi tape and pom-pom pencil will brighten up your everyday projects. How could you not smile when you use them? So you've got some washi tape, really pretty. It's just tape that you can like use for crafty things. And then you've got a pom-pom pencil, super cute. Just a normal pencil, but it's got a pom-pom on the end, which I love. And then we've got an oh shit card. Brilliant greeting card by Mean Mail. Echoes what we're all thinking lately, so why not send it to someone who needs it, or just pop it on your pinboard for when you need a giggle. I love that. That's really cool. Just says oh shit. And then it says Mean Mail on the back. Beautiful cards, brutal words, made in the UK. Love that. And the envelope's really pretty as well. It's got a little cute thing on there. And then neon wool tassels. These are just so freaking cute. I don't know what I might make these into earrings because they're just amazing. These gorgeous tassels have so many uses. They could look great on your you could hang them from your cross stitch hoop, attach them to your snip so they're nice and easy to find, or decorate your gifts and packaging and storage. So lots of things that you could do with those. And then I've got some pom-poms. And then I've got some thread, which I assume is for the cross stitch kit. So let's have a look. You get all different designs. I've got one that says no fucks given. I think there's one that says be fierce. I haven't finished any of them. I'm so shit. I just don't get the time. They're counted cross stitch as well, which is just so hard for me. I'm used to like the printed ones because I'm a wiener. Oh my god. So this one you can either do oh fuck yeah or oh hell yeah, depending on what you want to do. And then you've got your hoop, your needle, you get a basics guide which does explain how to do it really well because I am crap. You've got the black thread for the lettering, and then the other colours are for the other bit, and then you get your material to do it as well. So that was the kit. But Grace, who owns Innocent Bones and Mood, she's just like the best cross stitcher ever, and she does the most incredible ones. So I'll put her Instagram where you can get this, where the box from and everything. You can buy the kits on their own as well. She also sells them in Selfridges because they're that amazing. But yeah, that was the box. Do you guys get any craft boxes? Is this something that interests you? I think it's really interesting, and I'm hoping once the baby starts to sleep I can actually have some time in the evenings to do the cross stitches, because I do really like doing them. I used to do them a lot. I cross stitched cushions for my nan and Ben's nan before they died that they loved, and they had them on their side, and I've got a cross stitch that my nan started, and I do find it really relaxing. But I don't know, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.